4-slot toaster for toasting bread, bagels, English muffins, and more.
Toasts quickly and evenly for perfect results each time. 6 browning settings to choose from for your favorite level of toasting. Multifunctional controls for bagels, defrost mode, and quick cancel. Removable crumb tray allows for quick, easy cleaning. Cord wrap keeps plugs secure and out of the way between uses. An Amazon brand. Top reviews from the United States. Simple attractive toaster. This review is for the silver color toaster. I wanted a simple toaster and this is the reason I purchased this one. Please note that the toaster does have a white base. In some of the pictures it shows just a silver toaster. The toaster does what it's intended for. It does have a knob for the toasting level. When turning the knob, it's not a click on number knob, it sounds more like you're turning up the electricity. I am mentioning this just in case this is important to you or not. Also, the cord is not very long, which I don't mind. Like I said before, I was looking for a simple toaster. This toaster also has a bagel button and defrost button. I don't use these since I like toasting just bread and add a light toast. For this I use the number 3. I've had this toast for a couple of weeks and is still delivering results. So if you want a simple toaster, I think you will be happy with this one.